Hey everybody, this is part 2 of my unboxing for Growjoy. As you'll recall, or if you saw my other video, if you didn't, you can go back and watch it. I had ordered some plants, got them in, and I'll be showing those to y'all here in a little bit. But they weren't looking so hot, especially one of them. So I reached out to Growjoy, they gave me a credit, and I applied that towards purchasing some more. So we're going to see how these ones look today. Here's how they have them packaged. Oh goodness. If y'all can see where they are. That little guy looks pretty good. I'm in Arizona, so it's pretty hot, especially in the valley. And these have to go through Phoenix, I think, to get to our small town of Williams. At least as far as I know, everything kind of goes through there first. Those look nice. I forget what they are. Oh, these are the, pardon me, daylilies. Can you see those? I don't know where I'm going to put them, but they looked pretty. All look really good this time. This one might look like these guys, but this is one of these red hot poker plants. I have 2 of these out in front of my house, and I thought it'd be nice to have a third. I'll let you guys get a closer look at these. I bought some of these cold hardy or lilacs. I've never grown flowers before. Typically I grow vegetables when I'm gardening things, so kind of new for me to do this, but trying to fix up the property out front a little bit. I thought those would be nice. Plus, I know you can use the flowers to make lilac tea, and lilac infused honey. So I thought that'd be fun. And they're supposed to survive in zone 6, which is what it is where I'm at. Right. Let me get you a closer up view of this. So here are the 2 lilac plants. And my red hot poker plant. And these 2 daylilies. I have no idea what or 3 daylilies. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Here in a little bit, I will show you guys the plants that I bought before and how those are looking. They're looking a lot better, so I'm pretty happy with that. So here's the echinacea plants that I bought from Growjoy last time. They were looking kind of rough. They're doing a lot better. I need to water them again. There's something going on with the leaves here. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. Maybe that's just how they die. Like I said, I'm not really a great flower gardener, so some of this stuff I just don't know. You know, growing annuals in your vegetable garden, you might run into bugs, but not necessarily any kind of disease or anything like that with your plants. I don't even know that that's what this is. Happy to see all the buds, happy to see those flowers. Looks to me like it's living and doing great. I haven't put them in the ground because I was a big chicken. I didn't know where to plant them, and they weren't looking too good when I first got them, so I was thinking I'd put them in a pot because then I could, you know, move them around and get them into a place that they seemed like they were happier. So got a lot of yard I need to try to do something with. We've had so many rains that the weeds have gotten awful too. So all right, I'm gonna go around back now and show you the other ones. Okay, this guy here, if you check out my first video, you'll see this is that Mesa flower, blanket flower, Mesa yellow plant that had 1 leaf. So as you can see, it's bounced back pretty good. These are just some of my starters for my vegetable garden. And this one was one that looked really good when it came in. It's the, what the heck is this thing? A purple-licious. That's what it's supposed to look like. So that one's doing well too. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments on these plants, I've got to put them in the ground still. Don't know where I'm going to do that. We'll see what happens. Maybe later when I figure out where to put them, I'll do another video for anyone who's interested. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.